Hello and welcome to Phase 2. These lessons will fill your brain with everything you need to know, all of the knowledge, the strategy behind the TikToks that I make to give them the best chance of reaching your target audience and connecting with them. But there's a catch, okay? In this phase, you'll learn video formats and formulas, and you'll learn about hooks and hashtags and keywords and SEO, and all of it will seem very formulaic. And I realize the way I describe it will make it seem like you can just take the formula, input your own script and story, and boom, you've got a viral video. But if it were that easy, everyone would be doing it, right? So there's one best practice you need to remember over all of the advice in this entire course, and it's that none of it will matter if you don't find a way to stand out. I did not make one TikTok until I found a way to stand out, period. I've built 2 successful TikTok accounts, okay? And part of the equation is figuring out a way to stand out in the niche you're making content in. Now, my personal background may be in marketing, but my academic background is actually in physics and astronomy. I loved teaching it too. And when I looked on TikTok and found no creators teaching about space and astronomy, I dove in headfirst and I hit 100,000 followers within a year, I think. And I stopped that account for personal reasons, but other accounts carried the torch, and now they have 2 to 3 million followers and brand deals coming out their ears. So then when I started to see content on my For You page about the make money online niche, I thought it was interesting, but I didn't even consider doing it or making content until I found a way to stand out. See, back in August 2023, everybody and their mother was promoting Legendary Marketer, but nobody was critiquing it. It seemed like everyone was too concerned with making the sale that they were afraid to offer any conflicting information or potentially negative influence pertaining to the course, right? I'll quickly say that I don't think Legendary is a bad course. I think it's a good course, but I thought, what a great way to build trust. Let's just not sell anything for a couple months and just critique programs. So that's what I did. I critiqued Legendary. I warned people about the upsell. Yes, back in August of 23, nobody was talking about the upsell. So then after that, I took the Full Stack Business Launch Challenge. I tried Clickly, I tried Amazon, I tried Rapid Profit Machine. Amazon was good, but I didn't really promote any of them. And then by the time I found the Roadmap course, I had 2,000 followers waiting to see what I was going to recommend. And from the day I started selling it on October 4th, I made my first sale in 2 days and my first $15,000 in my first month. And it was due in part to my ability to stand out from other creators. And now I'm known for being honest, trustworthy, and genuine because it's the brand I started from the beginning. And yes, it was intentional. It was genuine, but it was intentional. So I encourage you to look at your niche and try to find a genuine but new or better way of creating content that sets you apart from the current creators in your niche. But I don't have the answer for you, right? If I did, I'd honestly just make a second account and do it myself. So really take a look at all of the content being made in your niche. Yes, literally search it and scroll and think to yourself, what am I not seeing that could work? What kind of content would I like to see that isn't being made? Or what are the opportunities available that are just waiting to be picked up? Because sure, I love seeing your journeys in the make money online space because I personally love being a part of them. But people are getting sick of everybody buying a course to resell a course and making the same content. So can you still do it? Yeah, you can still do that, but you got to find another way. And finding another way can be tough, right? It's all about experimentation. When you look at other people's content, standing out could mean doing whatever they're doing, but doing it way better. Sure, go for it. When I started my accounts, both accounts actually, I actually made a lot of different types of videos to see if something would stick, right? And then once I found what stuck, I poured gas on the fire and I kept making content in that style. That being said, I want you to keep in mind, nothing in this course matters if you can't find a way to stand out. This course will teach you the best practices of posting on social media and give your account the best chance it has at succeeding. But if you're still making the same style of content as everybody else, you will not stand out. You will not make sales, okay? There are accounts that do the opposite of everything that I teach. Absolutely opposite. Horrible quality, horrible lighting, no script. Maybe they look like they're reading from a script. Maybe they look like a robot. They do everything. I would not approve of any of it, right? They don't cut their clips at all. But because they are posting about a new idea in a new way, they're absolutely taking off. They're going viral. And the people that have new ideas and are doing what I'm teaching can go even more. So spend a lot of time on this. Experiment often, post a lot of different stuff, allow yourself to have crazy ideas, and then just give them a shot, okay? So try to think of a way to stand out in your niche, then apply everything that I teach in this course to your new approach. Good luck, and let's dive in.